You've recorded a video, now what? According to Google, doing video is going to get you rewarded. And with 74% of all online traffic expected to be video like tomorrow, it should be one of your marketing channels. So now you've recorded your video, it's time to edit and promote it. The editing process will vary depending on what platform you're using. If you're using a videographer, they will usually do this for you. But if you're using an app, they have inbuilt editing tools that allow you to record, then edit and upload your video live. Another great tool is the free YouTube editor. You can upload your video, add a top and tail, and cut sections. It is simple to use and great for beginners. Once your video is complete, you want to upload it to YouTube. Be sure to give it a title that people are searching for. To find out some options, just start to type various keywords or phrases into YouTube and it will populate popular videos at the top of the page, just like Google does. This is a quick tip to help you name them. Use the title in the first part of the description and include your full script. Make sure you add a professional top and tail and make sure you add a thumbnail as well. Canva is a great tool to do this in, and check out my YouTube channel for how it can be done. Simply choose the custom instead of options that they give you when you're setting up. This looks much more professional when a prospective client sees your channel. Also be sure to create categories for different video themes or topics. Don't just dump them all into your channel and expect your audience to find them. For example, you might have how-tos, interviews, blogs, and testimonials as 4 separate categories. Then of course, you want to promote them. Share them on your social media channels, add them to presentations and workshops, and share with strategic partners, and of course, include in your email marketing campaigns. You can also use paid ads and services to push to a much larger audience. So now you're armed with all the quick and easy ways to do video for your business. So ready, set, and action.